we can also bring that belly fire up and charge a sigil with belly fire. And this is a very raw form of energy, this belly fire. This is physical energy created by the chemical reaction going on in our bellies. That's why it is summoned from there, because there is the reaction of the food being digested in our stomach that is of that same destructive power. That is the raw source of the belly fire. And we pull the vitality from it, from our stomachs, from the acid digesting the food in our stomachs, and it becomes yellow and orange, and it rises and comes up, and we push it and allow it to flame up into our hands, and then we push it into the sigil. And that is how we would charge a sigil with belly fire.